Hi guys, I just thought this might be an easier way to explain what I'm expecting you to do today. Today for you guys anyways, Tuesday, October 16th. Uh, I am expecting that after you're done with the Unit 2 pretest, that you spend the rest of class time working on this sentence structure um, assignment. Essentially, it's not really one assignment, it's several of them built into one page, which is why I call it a hyperdoc. You should already have done step one on Quill last week or maybe even the week before. There was a 22 number diagnostic test that you had to take, and when you click on this Quill button, it brings you to that link, and you should sign in using your Google account if you did not already do that. And I know we have some newer students that might not have done this yet. So this would be your first step if you didn't already do that. Okay, if you did do this already, then there should be activities that are assigned to you that you can complete from this diagnostic. So what happens is the test tells me what activities you need and what activities you don't need, and then I assigned you the activities that you need. So go in and check. Go back to Quill, go in and check and see if there are any assignments assigned to you. If there are not assignments assigned to you, or if you finish them somehow, then you would move over to step 2. And step 2 inside the purple box is all BrainPop activities, all right? So you for sure need your earbuds, you need to be plugged in. The first chunk of this in BrainPop is all related to grammar. So I want you doing activities about nouns, verbs and their objects, adverbs, adjectives. This should be review, but you just never know. So do these first, and these have all been assigned to you already. And then you would move into level 2, looking at the structure materials. And this is more of like the structure of a sentence. This is our goal. We need to get here. I need you guys learning this stuff. But before we can learn this stuff, the 7th grade curriculum, I need you to do the basics here as a refresher and review. All right. Your goal is to be able to do these things up here. Choose a specific sentence structure to communicate using simple, compound, and complex sentences, and avoid writing with run-on and fragment sentences. All right. Eventually, there's the summative you'll start, but I don't even want you doing that yet. Today, you're working on step 1 and probably the first half of step 2, and you'll probably run out of time then. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. I might be able to shoot you one back. Otherwise, we'll be in touch after MEA. Have a great night.